In this video, we'll discuss the advantages of Torlon regarding thermal and electrical properties in aerospace applications. The aerospace industry has some of the highest demands of the materials it utilizes in its mechanical designs. Materials in this industry must be impervious to corrosive and oxidizing chemicals, able to function in both cold and hot environments, lightweight to reduce overall vehicle weight and increase payload, and strong enough to withstand constant friction, impact, wear, temperature extremes, and high pressures. These justifiably high standards are difficult to meet, but Torlon, a high-performance thermoplastic, has been one of the top choices for aerospace and defense applications for decades. Let's take a look at some of the many qualities that put Torlon on the map. Torlon serves as an ideal material choice for parts located near the fuel tanks of planes. Its many qualities include wear resistance in dry and lubricated environments, ability to maintain strength and stiffness up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, low temperature toughness and impact strength, chemical resistance including acids and most organics, low creep and wear under load, excellent compressive strength and extremely low CLTE, and low flammability and smoke generation. What really makes Torlon a must-have material is its temperature and chemical resistance. Torlon falls within the family of imidized performance polymers, meaning it can perform at exceptionally high temperatures compared to most other polymers, and its additional resistance to chemicals, steam, and wear makes it invaluable. Torlon is often accepted as a metal replacement in aerospace applications, where temperatures range from cryogenic to extreme heat, where the application requires thermal and electrical insulation, as well as weight reduction. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. If you're looking for an industry-certified partner who understands the rigorous standards required by the aerospace and defense industries, contact AIP today for a quote on your next project. Together, we take your projects to new heights. Thanks for watching.